In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the distance behavior to calculate distances between objects to drive animation behaviors and effects. To get started, let's open the included distance tutorial scene. This contains some simple objects animated with tween as a starting point. If the objects are not already displayed in Timeflow, press the key command Ctrl-Alt-tilde to show everything. To start, we'll select the line object and right-click to select Add Automation Distance. This adds a new distance channel to the object with its settings displayed in the inspector. We can leave the From field as it is, but let's assign red sphere to the To field. We can see that the distance channel is now displaying an output value. However, we won't see anything on the object unless we enable the Apply to Transform checkbox. This is simply a preview feature that applies the distance calculated to the object scale as a uniform value. It has limited usage and is not really the effect we're going for. So let's disable Apply to Transform and reset the object scale to 0.1. We can then right-click on the Align object in the Timeflow view and add Animation, Channel, Transform, Local Scale Y. Then click and drag the circular well icon to draw a link to the distance channel. The linked channels now have a line drawn between them, and if we play the animation, the object now scales on the y-axis by the calculated distance value. If you want to perform additional operations, you could change the channel link mode to combine with animation on the channel, or use additional channels to perform other calculations. However, for this example, a direct assignment is all that's needed. Another thing we can do is make the line connect the blue cube and red sphere by applying a Look At behavior. Right-click the line object to add automation Look At. In the inspector, we'll select Custom Target and then drag in the red sphere object. We're almost there, but the line is perpendicular rather than pointing at the target. To fix this, we can adjust the orientation 90 degrees on the x-axis. We now have a line that connects the objects no matter where they are positioned in space. If we disable the tween channel on the red sphere, we can freely move it in the scene view and see that the line remains connected between the objects. That concludes this tutorial on using the distance behavior. Please refer to the documentation links in the video description below for further information. Up next, we'll go over using the flyby behavior.